Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Susi Rahmawati, and I'm going to tell you about my paper entitled The Relationship Between Independent Learning and Students' English Learning Achievement in EFL Context. Alright, now let's get moved to the first point. Point 1, background of the study. As we know that every student at school get the same material and duration from the teacher, but on each assignment or examination, the result or the performance of each student is different. This of course shows that there are definitely things outside of teacher's instruction and their learning in the classroom that influence it. And then after being given the material at school, usually student will review the material at home, whether it just reread the material or doing homework. And then these activities is known or called as independent learning. And I think this is quite interesting for me to find out the relationship between independent learning and students' learning achievement, especially in English subject. And then the purpose of this study is to find out the relationship between students' independent learning and their English learning achievement at School of Indonesian High School student of EFL context. And then the research question is there any relationship between independent learning and students' English learning achievement? And then the research method. The research design used in this paper is quantitative correlational research design. This correlational research design is a type of non-experimental research, which the researcher measure two variables and assess the statistical correlation or relationship without effort to control the variables. And then the technique in collecting the data. The technique in collecting the data used in this paper are questionnaire and documentary. The questionnaire is used to gain information about students' independent learning, which consists of several questions. And then the documentary, the document is gained from English scores of second high school students in their report card to gather the data about students' English learning achievement. And then the data will be analyzed using the Pearson formula in SPSS. Alright, and then the references or the previous study that related to the present study. The first one is from Fajar and Agustina 2019 with the title Independent Learning for Improving English Skill of Students in English Language Education, which this study examine how independent learning improve English skill of students in English Language Education of Surakarta University. And then the second journal is from Rosmayanti and Yanuarti 2018 with the title The Relationship Between Students' Motivation and Their Learning Achievement. As on the previous research that independent learning is related to motivation, I adopt some question from the questionnaire of this study to gain information about students' independent learning. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.